Okay, we got the mouth screwed in. We got enough play in here now. We got our spring attached up here. That's what's pulled the mouth shut. We're going to check our string. To see if we got the right amount of tension on our lever here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your 1/2-inch dowel, and that's going to go in here. And we'll see if we have to make any adjustments on that. We'll see how hard that is. So, well, that's working perfectly. So what we'll do is we're going to glue our dowel in, put a couple of brad nails in there so it doesn't come loose on you, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. Enjoy my videos. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Put some glue in here. And we'll just stick our dowel in here. I'll let that set up and dry good. I'll put a couple of nails in here to hold it, and then we'll be ready to move on. Thanks for watching.